Hi there! Are you looking to lose belly fat but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 6 best workouts for beginners looking to lose belly fat. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of diet. In order to lose belly fat, you need to be mindful of what you're eating. This means avoiding processed and sugary foods, and instead focusing on incorporating whole, unprocessed foods into your diet. This includes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Now let's get to the workouts. Number 1. The plank. The plank is a great exercise for beginners because it's simple and effective. To do a plank, start in a push-up position, but instead of having your hands on the ground, rest your forearms on the ground. Hold this position for 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for a total of 3 rounds. Number 2. The bicycle crunch. The bicycle crunch is another great exercise for targeting your belly fat. To do a bicycle crunch, lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring up your left knee up towards your chest and then straighten it back out. At the same time, bring your right elbow up towards your left knee. Repeat on the other side and continue for a total of 30 seconds. Rest for 30 seconds and then repeat for a total of 3 rounds. Number 3. The Russian twist. The Russian twist is a challenging exercise that targets your obliques, the muscles on the sides of your stomach. To do a Russian twist, sit on the ground with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Hold your arms out in front of you and twist from side to side, trying to touch the ground on either side of you. Continue for 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat a total of 3 rounds. Number 4. The mountain climber. The mountain climber is another great exercise that targets your belly fat. To do a mountain climber, start in a push-up position, but instead of keeping your feet on the ground, bring one knee up towards your chest, and then back to the starting position. Repeat with the other leg and continue alternating legs for 30 seconds. Rest for 30 seconds and then repeat for a total of 3 rounds. Number 5. The jumping jack. The jumping jack is a classic exercise that not only targets your belly fat, but also your whole body. To do a jumping jack, stand with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs out to the sides and bringing your arms up over your head. Jump back to the starting position and continue for 30 seconds. Rest for 30 seconds and then repeat for a total of 3 rounds. Number 6. The burpee. The burpee is a challenging exercise that targets your whole body, including your belly fat. To do a burpee, start in a standing position Lower yourself down into a squat and then place your hands on the ground. Kick your feet back into a push-up position and then quickly bring them back to your hands. Stand up and then repeat for 30 seconds. Rest for 30 seconds and then repeat for a total of 3 rounds. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips.